What is Ho'oponopono for attracting money? Ho'oponopono is an ancient Hawaiian practice that means to correct a mistake or make right. When used to attract money, it helps release emotional and mental blocks that prevent prosperity. Here are some simple steps. I'm sorry. Acknowledge and accept your feelings about money. If there is guilt or fear, say, I'm sorry. Forgive me. Ask forgiveness from yourself for holding onto these emotions. Say, forgive me. I love you. Love yourself and recognize that you deserve abundance. Say, I love you. Thank you. Be thankful for the lessons learned through your financial experiences. Even challenges teach us something. Say, thank you. This practice helps clear blocks that prevent the natural flow of money. By removing these barriers, you create space for prosperity to enter your life. Unveiling Ho'oponopono for prosperity. Ho'oponopono is more than just a healing technique. It transforms mental patterns, paving the way for financial prosperity. Here are a few ways to apply it in your daily life. Constant cleansing. Take a few minutes to eliminate limiting beliefs about money. You can do this anywhere. Mentally repeat, I'm sorry, forgive me, I love you, thank you. To deepen the practice, add the word money to the phrase. Financial gratitude. Create a gratitude journal for your financial achievements. If you prefer, do this mentally whenever you receive any benefit, no matter how small. Gratitude blesses money and attracts more of it. Prosperity mantras. Incorporate mantras into your daily routine. Try saying, I am abundant. Money flows easily to me. If this feels hard to believe, ask yourself, why am I so abundant? The brain automatically seeks answers, reinforcing the belief. How to unblock the flow of money? Our relationship with money is tied to our beliefs. Here are steps to release these beliefs and attract abundance. Identify limiting beliefs. Ask yourself, what do I believe about money? Do these beliefs help me or hold me back? Transform these beliefs. Use Ho'oponopono to clear negative beliefs. Repeat, I'm sorry, forgive me, I love you, thank you. Cultivate an abundance mindset. Be thankful for what you have, both big and small. Gratitude opens the doors to more abundance. Visualize your financial success. Imagine yourself achieving your financial goals. Feel the emotion of success. This visualization helps create an emotional connection with prosperity. Take conscious actions. Identify steps you can take to improve your financial life. Money needs movement to flow. This could include learning something new or seeking opportunities. Examples of limiting beliefs and how to transform them. Belief: money is the source of all problems. Transformation: money is a tool for fulfilling dreams. Belief: I don't deserve to earn a lot of money. Transformation: I deserve abundance in all areas of my life. Belief: becoming rich is selfish. Transformation: by prospering, I can help more people. Belief: money is hard to earn. Transformation: money flows easily to me. Belief: you have to work hard to earn money. Transformation: I work smartly and attract prosperity with ease. How to use Ho'oponopono for prosperity every day. Dedicate a few minutes daily to the practice. Find a quiet space, breathe deeply, and repeat the words. I'm sorry, forgive me, I love you, thank you. This daily routine keeps your mind clear and open to prosperity.